Hey everybody, praise the Lord. I just want to tell you that God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. The only way we can go to heaven is through Jesus Christ alone, because he says there's no other name under heaven that has been given among men by which we must be saved. And that name is Jesus. It's not a president. It's not a world leader. It's not a religion, but it's Christ alone. God bless you. Have a great day.